Vite is a next generation JavaScript tool for frontend developers. It helps develop and build frontend projects faster. Vite was created by Ivan Yu, who also built the popular frontend framework Vue.js. But why Vite is popular? Before Vite, there were some useful tools for bundling our frontend assets and files, like Webpack, Rollup, and Parcel. They could bundle multiple files into a single file and use that file in the browser. But when we add more codes and packages to our application, the size of that bundled file would dramatically increase. This is a bottleneck for our application. In 2015, the ES modules was introduced with ECMAScript 6. At that time, a lot of browsers has weak support for those modules. After some years, the majority of browsers added native support for ESM, allowing developers to import and export JavaScript modules directly in the browser. Based on Vite document, it has two major parts. A dev server that provides rich feature enhancements over native ES modules, for example extremely fast hot module replacement or HMR. A build command that bundles your code with Rollup, pre-configured to output highly optimized static assets for production. To create a new project using Vite, you can use the command npm create Vite at latest. First, you need to set your project name. I choose Vite test, and then press enter. After that, you can choose your project type, and you can see that we can create different projects like Vanilla.js or React or the others. So I choose React, and then I can choose JavaScript and press enter to create my new project. Now I can change my directory to a new project and type npm-i to install the required libraries. Then after finishing the installation, I open my project using code. So this is a new React project using Vite. In vite.config.js file, we can use different plugins to extend our project. So let's see what plugins do we have. In the documents, we can find some plugins like Vue and React, and also useful legacy plugin. Another useful plugin is Vite plugin SSR. Now let's compare Vite and CRA to see the differences and improvements of Vite. I open a new terminal and create a new React app using CRA package. So I type npx create React app CRA test, and I wait for it to be installed. Well, this is the first improvement. We installed 270 packages using Vite. On the other hand, we installed 1484 packages using CRA. Wow, it's a huge difference. Our Vite project installed faster, and its fewer packages will increase the build process speed and will decrease the final project output. We will see that in a minute. Now I open the properties of two projects to see the size of them. Well, we have another improvement here. Almost 60 MB versus almost 280 MB. So Vite is better here. Now let's open two projects in VS Code. If we check the public folder and then src folder of both projects, we can see that in Vite project we have less trash files and assets. Also, we have ESLint in Vite project, which is very useful. Now let's run both of projects and see them in the browser. I open the console to see the network activity of my projects. In CRA project, we have a bundle.js file which contains the JavaScript and React codes. But in Vite project, all of our components imported directly into the browser. Well, this is faster and it helps us a lot. Also, if I change the count state here and I go to project and make a change, my change will be shown quickly without changing the state of application. We call this HMR or hot module reloading. Now let's check the build process. Let's open the package.json file to see the command of build in both projects. In CRA, the command will run React script build, and in Vite it will run Vite build. Let's use this command and build our project build output. For the final part of this video, let's see the size of output of both projects. Again, Vite is better here and it has only 148 kilobytes against CRA with almost 568 kilobytes. So it has a better performance. And this was a quick overview of Vite. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.